Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about characteristics of genetic code. You know that in previous video we already talked about the introduction and discovery of genetic code. So now in this video we are going to talk about characteristics or silent feature of genetic code. So genetic code have 10 types of silent feature. So in this video we are going to talk all these 10 types of silent feature one by one. So now start the first silent feature. The first silent feature of genetic code is triplet code. So you already know that genetic code is the triplet code, because if each codon has single or one nitrogen base, so then there will be a possible only 4 codon, and this 4 codon is not enough to synthesize 20 different types of amino acid. Then after that, if each codon has 2 nucleotides, then there will be a possible only 16 codon, and this 16 codon is again not enough to synthesize 20 different types of amino acid. But if each codon contains 3 nucleotide bases, then there will be a synthesized or code 64 codon, and this 64 codon is more than enough to synthesize 20 different types of amino acid. So that's why genetic code is the triplet code, not a singlet or doublet code. This is the first feature of genetic code. After that, then second feature of genetic code is distinct polarity. Genetic code has the distinct polarity. So you know that the formation of mRNA occur from 5' to 3' direction, and genetic code also read from 5' to 3' direction always, not read by 3' to 5' direction, and this is the direction called as the polarity of genetic code. After that, then third characteristics of genetic code is non-overlapping. Genetic code is non-overlapping. genetic code केव्हाही overlap करणार नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ही mRNA स्ट्रँड आहे आणि या mRNA स्ट्रँडवर 6 न्यूक्लियोटाइड आहे, A, U, G, A, G, C. These 6 nucleotide present on mRNA strand. आता या 6 न्यूक्लियोटाइड पासून 4 अमायनो ऍसिड बनू शकतात. ही जो ट्रिपलेट आहे हा एक अमायनो ऍसिड बनवेल, हा जो ट्रिपलेट आहे हा दुसरा अमायनो ऍसिड बनवेल, देन हा जो ट्रिपलेट आहे हा तिसरा अमायनो ऍसिड बनवेल, आणि हा जो ट्रिपलेट आहे हा चौथा अमायनो ऍसिड बनवेल. केव्हा? जर जेनेटिक कोड ओव्हरलॅप करत असेल तेव्हा. बट आपल्याला माहिती आहे की जेनेटिक कोड जो आहे तो नॉन ओव्हरलॅपिंग आहे, म्हणजे तो केव्हाही ओव्हरलॅप करत नाही. म्हणून जर हे 6 न्यूक्लियोटाइड एमआरएनए चेनवर प्रेझेंट असेल तर त्याच्यापासून 4 डिफरंट टाईपचे अमायनो ऍसिड बनणार नाही, त्याच्यापासून फक्त 2 अमायनो ऍसिड बनेल. हा जो ट्रिपलेट आहे हा एक अमायनो ऍसिड बनवणार, आणि हा जो ट्रिपलेट आहे हा दुसरा अमायनो ऍसिड बनवणार. का बरं? कारण ईच न्यूक्लियोटाइड ओनली पार्ट ऑफ द सिंगल कोडॉन, म्हणजे प्रत्येक न्यूक्लियोटाइड जो आहे तो सिंगल कोडॉनचाच पार्ट असू शकतो, तो दुसऱ्या कोडॉनचा पार्ट होणार नाही. म्हणून जेनेटिक कोड जो आहे तो एकमेकांना ओव्हरलॅप करत नाही, तो कसा आहे? नॉन ओव्हरलॅपिंग आहे. दिस इज द थर्ड सायलेंट फीचर ऑफ जेनेटिक कोड. आफ्टर दॅट द फोर्थ सायलेंट फीचर ऑफ जेनेटिक कोड इज द कॉमनेस. सो यू नो दॅट जेनेटिक कोड इज द रेग्युलर मॅनर. This is the chain of genetic code, and there is no gap or any punctuation mark between the 2 successive bases. That's why genetic code is the commonest. Means हा जो जेनेटिक कोड आहे किंवा ही जेनेटिक कोडची जी चेन आहे या चेन मध्ये कोणत्याही प्रकारचा पंक्च्युएशन मार्क नसणार, फुल स्टॉप नसेल, कॉमा नसेल, डॅश नसेल, कोणत्याही प्रकारचं पंक्च्युएशन मार्क राहणार नाही. म्हणून असं म्हटलं जाते की जेनेटिक कोड जो आहे तो कसा आहे? कॉमनलेस आहे. ठीक आहे, तर हे झालं fourth silent feature of genetic code. After that, fifth silent feature of genetic code is degeneration. So you already know that the specific amino acid encoded by specific codon, but in some cases the specific amino acid synthesized by or encoded by more than one codon. That's why genetic code is the degeneracy. For example, cysteine. Cysteine is the amino acid, and this amino acid code encoded two different types of codon. Then again one example of degeneracy is isoleucine. Isoleucine is also the amino acid, and this isoleucine amino acid synthesized by three different codon. And then another example is GGG, GGA, GGC and GGA. There's all four different types of codon synthesize only single amino acid, that is glycine. So that's why genetic code is the degeneracy. Then sixth silent feature of or characters of genetic code is universal. So in simple prokaryotes or simple organism to complex organism, same codon synthesize same types of amino acid. That's why genetic code is the universal, but have some exception. For example, mitochondria. In case of mitochondria, this genetic code is not universal because in mitochondria some codons, different amino acid also synthesize or code. So genetic code is not a universal but nearly universal. The seventh silent feature of genetic code is non-ambiguous. So why non-ambiguous? Because you know that the single amino acid is synthesized by more than one codon, but two different types of amino acid not synthesized by single codon. That's why genetic code is the non-ambiguous, means single codon synthesize only single or specific type of the amino acid, not two different types of amino acid. Then 8 is the initiation codon and termination codon. So genetic code have initiation codon and termination codon. In case of every organism from simple to complex organism, AUG is start codon and initiate codon represented as 5' AUG to 3', because mRNA chain only read from 5' to 3' direction, and this chain also represented as 5' to 3' direction AUG, and AUG is the initiation codon in case of simple organism to complex organism. But this organism also have a termination codon, that is UAA, UGA and UAG. These three is initiation codon. Out of 64 codon, these three is stop codon. Out of 64 codon, 3 codon is stop codon, and these codon not encoded any types of amino acid. That's why only 61 codon encode specific amino acid, that is 20 different types of amino acid. So this codon is also known as UAA, is also known as AMBER. Then UGA is also called as OPAL, and UAG is also called as ochre. These three different types of stop codon has also known as amber, opal and ochre codon, and these codon not synthesize any different types of or any types of amino acid. That's why this codon is called as the termination codon or stop codon, responsible for the synthesis of stopping the synthesis or terminating the synthesis of polypeptide chain. Then next is universal. So you already know that specific amino acid synthesized by specific codon, and these all amino acid and codon is same from simple organism to complex organism, but some have some exception, some types of exception in mitochondria. Mitochondria has not synthesized same type of codon from from same type of codon to encode same types of amino acid. That's why genetic code is not universal but nearly universal from simple organism to complex organism. Then 10th is codon and anticodon. So you already know that codon is present on mRNA chain. This is the chain of mRNA. This is the chain of mRNA, and this triplet called as the codon. Again, this triplet called as a codon. This triplet called as a codon. But what is anticodon? So complementary base pairing present on tRNA, and this tRNA contain complementaries. That is, this is the tRNA molecules. This is tRNA. This tRNA contains the complementary nucleotide of mRNA strand. That is called the anticodon. Means anticodon present on tRNA molecules. Anticodon present on tRNA and codon present on mRNA. And codon is always in 5' to 3' direction. But anticodon is always in 3' to 5' direction is represented. So all these 10 types of silent feature we can see one by one. So thanks.